One of the best things about having an EV and having a driveway is that you can charge at home. And of course you can use any domestic socket to plug in your EV. Problem is that takes ages, so what you really need is a proper dedicated EV charger. Like this. This is a Wallbox Pulsar Max, and this is the home of David Westwood Harrison in Sutton Coldfield. He entered a competition to win the Pulsar Max and won.
David Westwood Harrison from Sutton Coldfield. Where is Sutton Coldfield?
I don't know. On this beautiful rainy day, we're going to install it and see what's involved with the installation. And this is the point where I knock on the door and pretend that David and I haven't already met. Hi David.
Andrew, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So you used to have workplace charging, so you got free charging at work, which is great.
Yeah, but
and then you started working from home.
Started working from home, and yeah, that convenient benefit went away. I do less miles, so it slightly offsets it. But yeah, rapid chargers and in a pinch, 3-pin cable out the window in hopefully drier conditions than this.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so having something like this is much better.
Absolutely, yeah.
Jay, could you just go through what you have to do?
Yeah. So essentially, we run a cable from wherever's easier, either the meter box or the fuse board. So we'll come, for instance, this job come from the fuse board, so we'll go into the fuse board and then into our own little fuse board that we fit.
And it's easier in terms of grounding because it's all built.
Yeah, all the grounding's built into the device, so what we have to fit near the fuse board isn't as big. Sometimes we don't even have to fit our fuse board if the setup's right. It's a lot easier, a lot cleaner. Testing the perspective fault current, so what can flow through it. If you ever find the charger's off or you need to turn it off, from that, lift the flap up, and then there's one switch in there, flick it down, kills the power to the charger. And then from our fuse board that we fit, we then come to the point that's where the customer would like the charger installed. Charger up, put the holder up, whatever accessories come with it.
If David was looking to get solar panels, this links in to the charger as well, right?
Fully compatible with solar.
And that's easily done if David was to get solar later?
Yeah, easily done. Just we have to put a little module in the fuse board already in there.
Is that like a CT clamp or something?
Yeah, CT clamp, yeah.
Okay.
Put a CT clamp in and then just run another cable to the charger and then done. They're probably one of the most easiest chargers to install in terms of mounting the bracket, what's involved inside, putting the cover on, mounting the charger, and like second fixing it probably takes no longer than half hour, so it is like generally very quick. Go around there?
Yeah, that's great.
Job done.
Easy as that. So this is 7.4 kilowatts,
Yeah,
is it?
7.4 kilowatts.
But if David had a 3-phase supply, then you could get 11?
Yeah, you can,
or
11
22,
or 22, yeah.
Okay.
And it's pretty much exactly the same. So if you click add charger,
Add charger, so press add charger.
and then if you scan that QR code, connect.
And then set up on my internet.
Yeah, continue, and then yeah, if you choose your Wi-Fi. Once you plug in, it can take up to 10 minutes to initially start the charge. So if you just hit skip delay, it will start the charge.
Blue is charging.
Blue is charging, yeah. Blue is charging.
1.2, 7.5.
And then light blue is idle, so waiting.
So that's waiting for it to charge, yeah.
Exactly, yeah.
And what did you have to do before the installation?
So beforehand, just a few pictures of, the electrical fittings in the house. So I think it was the meter, the distribution box, and then a little video just going from where the electric comes into the house and the meter to the fuse box, and then sort of the path it had to go to get to where it is now.
So there are a lot of EV chargers on the market. What's good specifically about the Wallbox Pulsar Max? Firstly, it's really, really solid. It's actually IK10 protection it's got, which means you could probably go at it with a baseball bat and it would be absolutely fine. It's also obviously a smart charger. Being a smart charger, that means it can connect with energy company like Octopus. They've got tariffs like Intelligent Octopus Go, which is fantastic. and it talks to the charger and it will charge your car at the cheapest times throughout the day, not just at night. So the app is really good for this, very easy to use.
I'll have to have a look at putting a schedule on it and hooking it up to Octopus later. There's the option in the corner to lock it if I go away and I don't want anyone to pinch my volts.
And it tells you, because I love stats, and it tells you the energy.
I do love stats, yeah. So yeah, I'll nothing there at the minute, but in months to come I'll be checking that religiously.
Yeah. It's also got a tethered cable, which is great, which means you don't have to faff around in the back of your car and try and find the cable to plug in. And probably one of the best things is if you have solar panels, then it will link in with that as well. So it means that if you've got a beautiful sunny day, you can just charge off solar, or you can have a mix of solar and grid power. So how do you think the installation went?
Easy. Maybe the power was off for half an hour, 45 minutes tops. Yeah, quick and easy, run a bit of cable, plug it in. I mean, probably could have done it myself.
Probably.
I probably shouldn't have though.
Fantastic. Well, hope you enjoy it.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you, David. So that's it, the installation of a home charger, in this case the Wallbox Pulsar Max. A big thank you, of course, to Wallbox for working with me on this competition. And thank you for watching it. And I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please press the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified of other videos. And I'll be back very soon. Bye for now.